Good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's afternoon. But I have to go to Walmart when my anxiety is acting up. This always happens. I don't know why. I've been wanting to go to Walmart all day, but just been procrastinating. Just don't want to go. But I have to go. You know, you have to be a mother and you have to be an adult. You just have to push through it. But I'm having a hard time. Like, my heart is like pounding out of my chest, and I'm thinking about all the horrible things that could go wrong, all the crap that I'm gonna encounter. It's just making it so much worse. Versus if I was just stop thinking and just stop all the thoughts and just go, I'll be okay. But before I go, I have to go through the whole routine, and it's just like driving me insane. But I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys good morning, even though it's not morning. And then I have to take Gigi to go get groomed, so I have to drop him off. I'm gonna see if Marcelo will pick him up. So let's go to Walmart. Are you ready?
Mommy.
You are so pretty. Twirl it. Twirl it. Twirl it. Oh, be careful. So I think I need these stuff right here, donation, but can't find anywhere around here to donate to drop off donation. I see these little boxes that you can drop them in, but it's like it get rained on and wet, and it's just not a good solution for me. So those are all of Destiny's summer shorts that don't fit her anymore. Come on. Come on. We gotta go, okay? You ready to go? So yeah, kind of calmed down now. Now that Miss Matt is ready. Let me turn off the lights. I changed my outfit. But kind of calmed down a little bit. Come on, baby. Get Jojo on the leash, please.
Mommy.
Hold on. We all can't come down with all of this stuff. Look what you're coming down with. I got stuff in my hand. We all can't come down with so much stuff. The most important thing is you. Come on. Yeah, the most important thing is you. Everything else is not relevant right now. The struggle is real. Your hair, oh my gosh. Now I have to do her hair. Calm down. Calm down. I need to get my battery because every time I walk with this thing, it shakes. It's acting up again. Whoosa! Oh gosh. I'm gonna go calm down and then come back. Boys, I'll be back. No. What is going on right now is what you're gonna watch. Where's my my sandal? Yes? The last Pop-Tart?
You got all of them.
I'm always in this closet. You guys don't feel sorry for me? I'm always shoving myself in this closet. And you guys never seem to feel sorry for me. I need to I need to hop back on projects because, yeah, I just need to. Anyways, I'll be back, boys.
Mommy,
Don't let anybody in the house.
your red half and Pop-Tart.
No. I just realized something. Who's gonna pick up the dog? Let me see if, cause I'm not. His appointment is at 3. It's 1:58 right now, and I'm not staying up there that long. So I'm about to call the hubby and see if he can pick him up. And stuff. So hopefully he pick up the phone. It says my man. Hello? I hate calling him on the road. While he's on the road. Hello? Where's my phone? Can you pick up Juju?
Should be able to.
You can pick him up?
Sure.
Alright, thank you so much.
I mean, I should be able to get off. I'm like the front right now.
Okay. I don't know. Alright then. We'll figure it out.
Yeah, when you go to drop him off, just you put your telephone number down and they call you when he's done.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye. Let's play some music. I love this new song. Oh, my phone be acting up.
Is that the right one?
Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings are all on my life, my thank God for the journey, the earnings, the test for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah,
Look at Mary, baby. I'll see you later. She's sleeping. I hate when I come and she's sleeping. Hold this, mommy.
Oh, I think he has to poop.
He has to poop?
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait for the cars to come. Can you hold this? Hey, mama.
Hey.
Tired, huh? Come here. Jojo, calm down. Oof, oof. I gotta drop Jojo. Hold on. He just has to pee. You okay?
And he has to poop.
Bring him. I don't have his bag. We gotta go get the bag. I gotta get a bag and pick up his poop before I can let him poop.
Bring him.
Hold the camera.
There's nothing in there.
Calm down.
He has to pee on the side.
I know. He doesn't have to pee everywhere he goes. This is not your house. Juju's dropped off. Come on, guys. And I'm getting ready to go to Aldi's. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go to Aldi's, but I think we can walk. Yeah. No, we can't walk. Give her to me. We can't walk. It's a little bit up there and it's getting ready to rain. So I'm gonna have to put these kids in the car and then go to Aldi's and Walmart. Come here. Come here. You want cookie? I have cookies for you right here.
She said ice cream.
You want ice cream? Okay.
She doesn't say ice cream.
Why ice cream sounds so expensive? You want ice cream cone? I guess $1.19 is not bad for 24. You want this one? That means I have to get you. Put it in the cart. What do you say? What do you say? Thank you. You're supposed to say thank you. These are the ones that I buy. They're $1.29. All right, let's go. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. And then this is the lunch meat that I get. $3.19. Oven roasted. There's no more cheese at home? No?
No. I think so.
This is imitation. We don't want imitation cheese. We want real cheese. You need real cheese. Not imitation, okay? Right here. Happy Farm. You like the white one? Put in the cart. Oh gosh. You're violent. Alright. So, what else do we need to get, Maddie? Huh? Meat? We need meat? Meat? Okay, let's get some meat. There's one for curry chicken. Okay, I'm gonna get that one. What else? You want some drumstick? Okay, we're gonna get some drumstick to put in the oven tonight. What else you want? Chicken breast? I don't want chicken breast. Yeah, I don't want chicken breast. All right, let's go. Give me a hand. Okay, what else we need? Water. We need cheese. We need yogurt. Yogurt. Which one?
Want me to do it?
Yeah.
Watch out, Sissy.
So get this one. Grab this one. Does it have a mixture? Already? No. Okay, yeah, that's the one.
Where did I put it?
Just put it there. Then get another case. Thank you. Oh, I think it's this one. Yep. Thank you, Madison. Thank you. All right. Grab water. This one. Popsicle.
What about that? Can I get popsicle?
Grab one. We need to grab some butter. I forgot butter. Okay. Let's go grab butter. Yes? All right, come on. We need to grab butter. But I do need one of these.
Goya crackers.
What boy? Oh. I can get you one. It worked.
Okay? 1 week. Okay? Only 1 week. Jaxson, you're gonna suffocate her.
Leave them with them.
Hey, get over from my baby. She's just a toddler. Oh, nice. Maddie, Crawford. I'm Gerd. Gerd, you soft? Crawford. But thank you for the money. How is she gonna call with that money? She's gonna wiggle. She's a staff now. You're a staff. Stay in conference. You're a staff. Stay in work. Stay.
Okay, guys, so came home, went to Walmart. My phone, the only thing I have left to record on, just went black. Just went black. So I'm like freaking out because I'm like, it has all the footage from today, has all the footage from when we went to the beach, it has all the footage from the grocery haul that I had to put up that I didn't put up. This video is gonna go up before those two because I'm just so lazy like that. I'm testing out a new editing software app actually. Stop spraying that! But I went to Walmart and I came home and I made brown stew chicken. Is it brown stew chicken or ricochet chicken? Either one. So that's why I'm getting ready to feed the hubby. And then had to meet him over there because the main account, he couldn't get money into his. So I had to, and then he can't take money from my account to put into his account because the bank just doesn't, even though it's the same bank, it won't let him transfer from my account to his because they view it as stealing. So stop! So no, I bought juice. I'm making some juice. You want juice?
Yeah.
You want some juice? What kind of juice you want? You want mango and night?
Yeah.
And guava?
Can you pass that water?
And fruit punch?
Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah.
Look at
Can you
him.
pass that water bottle around?
Look at him. Look, Rob's right there.
Dude, I'm hungry.
You hungry, baby? You wanna eat?
I'm not really in the
Like right now?
Hello.
Rob is not happy right now. All right, let me go feed Rob before. Maddie! All right, I'll go feed Rob because Rob is hungry, okay? And rightfully so. He just got home from work. So I'm gonna catch up with child. Maddie, put it down. Put it down. No.
You paying for juices,
Yeah.
She paid for everything. She was on a shopping.
How's dinner? You got water, juice, everything going there, girl. Your juice that you picked out from the grocery store. Is it good? Is it yummy? Okay, enjoy. Yummy. Okay, so dinner was good. Rob had seconds.
Yeah, he's just a little bit with you.
Rob had seconds. Rob went and got seconds. Now the question is, who's gonna clean the kitchen?
Hey!
Who gonna clean the kitchen? Look at Rob. He didn't even look up. Who gonna clean the kitchen?
I know I'm not, so it doesn't involve me.
What?
I don't know.
What do you mean it don't involve you? What does that mean? You don't. What do you mean it don't involve you? What does that mean? You eat off that plate too, right? You eating off that plate, right?
I paid for this too.
So what does that mean? Tell me how does that help any of us?
I have five.
5 other kids. With Rob. With.
I got 5 kids.
What you trying to say? 5 other kids? Didn't y'all just hear Rob say he has 5 other kids? Where? With who? Where the 5 other kids at? You said you had 5 other kids. Where they at? Let me find out. Rob has secret around here. 5 other kids. Rob has 10 kids, guys. Rob gets around. Just don't make sure he don't end up at your house, okay? You look at Rob and you're pregnant, all right? But anyways, guys, I'm happy I was able to vlog today. I'm gonna go edit this video and give it to y'all because it's been almost a week now. Almost a week since I neglected my channel. Maddie, finish your dinner. Finish your dinner. Now. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. Bye, guys.